When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me, Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare tomato tokku chutney. This tomato tokku chutney is a very good combination with dosa, idli and rice. This is a simple chutney to prepare in the morning time, so don't miss it. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. For preparing this, take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add fenugreek seeds. Add turmeric powder. Now take around 250 grams of tomatoes, cut it into big and add it into a pan. Add required amount of salt. Add required amount of red chili powder. Give a quick mix. No need to add any water into this. Add small piece of tamarind. Add little amount of jaggery and give a quick mix. On a low flame, cook it for 5 minutes. Now transfer this mixture into a blender. Once it cool down, make it into a smooth paste. In the meantime, prepare the tadaka for the chutney. Now mix the tadaka with the chutney and take it into a bowl. That's all. The tomato tokku chutney was ready. Try this simple chutney and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare bread upma. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.